Good evening everyone. I am Patanita Vaisbulwa. Now I will talk on using YouTube as a means of promoting library marketing during COVID-19 pandemic. Now let's start our presentation.
We all know that raising library's profile in the society always depends on his successful relationship with users. Library always take their step forward to earning their user satisfaction. Marketing of library includes users' priorities, expectation, relation, quality of service, professional skills, and etc. Time is unpredictable. This line has proved in 2020. This year, our country and all the other countries are fighting with coronavirus disease that is also called COVID-19. This COVID-19 pandemic has made a dynamic change in all aspects of our life. No one can imagine that we have to stay home for such a long time. All institution, industry, office, everything were closed in a long period. Social distancing is the only way to break the chain of COVID-19. Now society adopting contactless interaction. This pandemic situation developed a digital platform at a large scale. Even a 4-year-old kid is learning from smartphone. This seminar is also an example of growing of digital platform. Most of us know about this seminar through social media. We registered using Google Docs. We communicate each other through WhatsApp and Telegram. We submitted our paper in digital form and now we presented our paper through Google Meet. All these things happen digitally without physical interaction. In these days, YouTube is rising day by day. It has increased its users in this lockdown period to large extent. It is a great opportunity to libraries for promoting their marketing through YouTube. This study has three objectives. First one is to examine YouTube as a means of promoting library marketing in this COVID-19 pandemic. Second one is to introduce the possibilities of YouTube as a platform for increasing libraries users. And the last one is to describe YouTube development and significance in this COVID-19 pandemic. This research paper has used descriptive method. Relevant all information are collected using different secondary sources like journals, online articles, YouTube videos, reading some website, and also personal observation. YouTube is video sharing platform. It is a social network, search engine, hosting service, and important advertising platform for business all over the world. It is the second largest search engine and also second number of most visited site. YouTube was founded by Sir Harley Stephenson and Javed Karim. It headquartered at California, US. In India, YouTube has more than 265 million active users. These are some basic features of YouTube. Upload video, like and dislike, comment, subscribe, report, share, copyright. I think we are all familiar with these features of YouTube. Growing importance of YouTube in COVID-19 pandemic. COVID-19 pandemic has introduced people some new word or a new situation, that is lockdown, self-isolation, quarantine, sanitize, etc. In India, since March to till now follows lockdown order. Now technology is connected people digitally. Technology is growing like never has been before. Now people to log in four walls of their own house and nothing to do outside are obviously going to fall towards the internet for entertainment, for learning, for everything. Video is the fastest way to share information. 82% of all internet traffic in 2020 is video. Now YouTube is take advantage of this COVID-19 pandemic and has made a huge grow on social media and touch maximum number of people's daily life. In this lockdown period, people are spent average 4 to 5 hours on YouTube in a day. Why library need promote themselves? Advertising makes people aware of library service collection, while a marketing plan focuses on convincing these people to use the library. Library promotion involves an ongoing commitment to the advancement of ideas and programs. And last, public relation involves building relationship with the users community inside and outside the institution. It makes a strong bonding between library staff and users. In this lockdown period where all educational institution is temporarily closed, therefore YouTube is the best option for connecting with users and tell them the story of library. Here is the first point is YouTube as a storehouse. Library can use YouTube as a storehouse for instructional videos. These videos are connected with library website for more information. Next is library can make videos on YouTube in different library service and make the link available in library website. Also, library can make YouTube videos to introduce library available resource. Library have uploaded video on different types of resources and guide users to where they are available. Next is visual helper. Library can upload video step-by-step direction to the library. It could be much helpful for users to guide through library website and have them click on the link that takes them to library's YouTube account. Library also make video guide to reference text. Next is advertising new resources. Library can make video to advertising their new collection. It is an easy way to attract users towards the collection through showcase of the library new resource. Also, library can promote particular book for get more users at interest. Use QR codes. Library print QR code for book tailor and attach them to books on display. Users can use their smartphone with a QR app to watch the book tailor while pursuing the books. Library also can share YouTube video in different platforms like Facebook, library Facebook profile, library WhatsApp group, library blog, and also library website. Next is news resource. Library also can make videos to inform users about news and events related to library. To make the channel successful, library have to improve their homepage that user get easily attracted towards the channel. First impression is the last impression. It should always follow to make the homepage of the YouTube channel. First, choose a compelling profile picture. It should be branded to the library. Library can use here in logo or library building photo. Next is upload channel art. At the top of the channel homepage is the header image. Library can use text or added personality in the library's brand voice to the header image. Then create a channel trailer. This channel trailer depends on to gain or lose a subscriber. So make a 1 or 2 minute informative video that tell people what the basic features of library. Next, library can create an about page where they include a short description of the library. The next is create playlist. On the home page, library can make the playlist of the best videos. Then choose a video title that accurately reflects library content. After that, write the great video description. Suggestion. Library should organize webinar in YouTube channel on library subject to connect with users and also sharing different information related to library. Then library should invite allies professional from different institutions to give live lecture different topic related to library and information science. Third is library should make video on how to preserve manuscript and other books. It gives users practical knowledge and they easily understand these things. And the last is YouTube have very strict copyright policy. Therefore, LIS professionals should take care of privacy, copyright authority in uploading video on YouTube. This study has shown the promotion library marketing through YouTube. It has created very positive impact on the mind of LIS professionals who are already using YouTube in the library. YouTube marketing offers library to engage library community in new ways and turn the strangers into fans. In this COVID-19 pandemic, library can use YouTube as a bridge to connect among users. Plus, thank you everyone for listening me and giving me the opportunity for presenting my paper. Thank you.